Today we are focusing on ankles and feet. We take our feet for granted. We walk on them, we run on them, we balance on them, we stand on them, but we never really pay any attention to them. So we'll delve into 3 exercises to provide some relief. I'm Charlotte and I'm here to make you feel better through your workday. So let's begin. Exercise number 1, let's get the position in the chair. So sit all the way back onto your seat. The feet are hip width apart. Extend the right leg. All you're going to do is point the foot, feel that stretch, flex the foot. When you flex the foot, you should feel it on the back of the calf muscle. Point the toes and flex. Point and flex. Keep lifting tall. Point and flex. And all you're doing with the breath is nose breath in, nose breath out. Keep going with the movement. Keep that focus on the foot. There's a lot going on in the foot. We have 26 bones and 30 joints. And sometimes we take the feet for granted. We'll switch sides, extend the left leg out, flex the foot and point. We take the feet for granted. We stand on them, we balance on them, we run on them, we walk on them, and it's something we use every day. But when do we find the time to pay attention to the ankles and to the feet? When we do this, we can move without restriction within the feet. We increase our ankle mobility and also the circulation as well. Bring that left foot down. All right, next exercise. I like to sit in the middle of my chair for this one. I'll walk the feet out in front so I can see the toes in front of me. And I'm going to come back onto the heels. I rest the weight into the heel of the foot. I'll rock to the front of the foot. I'll come onto the ball of the foot and lift the heels off the ground. I'll come back into the heels, lift the toes, toes back onto the ground, lift the heels. And just keep rocking back and forth within the feet. Just feeling every muscle. Great way to focus is to close the eyes, connect to the breath, and feeling into the feet just slowly. We'll do one more round, just back into the heels, back into the front part of the feet. Release back down. Open the eyes if they were closed. Exercise number 3 is ankle circles. So you can sit into the back of the seat, extend the right leg, and go in a circular movement within the right ankle. Keep lifting tall. And remember that option is there to close the eyes, just taking that breath in, taking that breath out, feeling into the foot. And gently go into the opposite direction. If you need more time with the exercises, feel free to pause the video and continue the movement. Right foot down. And extend the left leg, and again we'll go into a circular motion in the left ankle, and it really doesn't matter which way you go, just really feeling into the joints within the ankle. Go into the opposite direction. Gently open your eyes, lower the foot. Thank you for joining me today. Just taking this simple reset within the mind and body can shift your whole day. If you like to bring workplace wellness into your business, then contact me at info@spinkyoga.com. I'll leave the information below. Come back to this session anytime you want relief within your ankles. Have a great day.